In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Brother printer MFC J1010dw printer to factory defaults. Now the first thing is to switch on the printer and go to the printer screen. Click on the settings, scroll down, click on the initial setup. If you go to the last option, now look for the reset, click it, select reset machine, press and hold this button for 2 seconds and release it. Now wait for your printer to restart. So this way we can reset the printer. Now you have to set up your printer again. Thanks for watching.